Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a much requested beauty box to share with you, and it is Cohorted, and this is their January beauty box, and it's their vegan edit. So just take the sleeve off. There, you might be more familiar with this box design. So if you're new to Cohorted, as always, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you know everything there is to know about the subscription, you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Cohorted is a luxury beauty box. It's based in the UK and they ship internationally. The cost of the box is £39.99 and is free shipping within the UK, and there's additional shipping outside of the UK. Once you fill in all your details on their website, then you will find out how much the shipping is. As an example, I went on earlier on and I typed in the USA and shipping was an additional £12, which I thought wasn't too bad actually. I was expecting it to be a lot higher. The value of these boxes come in at usually well over £100, so if you love your luxury products, then this is definitely a box to be on your radar if you're not already a subscriber. I've dipped in and out of Cohorted since I've started YouTube, but I haven't unboxed a box for over a year now, so I'm really excited to get back into it. Inside you will find hair care, skincare, makeup, fragrance, as well as body care, and there's at least 5 products in the box a month. The subscription works by a month in advance, so if you subscribe in January, your first box will be February, and boxes start getting sent out between the 5th and the 15th of the month. They release limited edition boxes, and also you are able to purchase past boxes off their website. I had a look on their website and there's a code that you can use, which is Cohorted Gift Me, and you will receive an additional Marc Jacobs eye pencil worth £12.50. So I think that's it as far as information goes. All links and discount codes related to the subscription I'll pop down in my description, so underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. To click that will bring up my description and all information will be down there. This box was actually gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. All thoughts and opinions remain my own, so yeah, let's get on to open it up and showing you what's inside. Each box comes with a little card that tells you who packed it for you. It says, "We hope you enjoy your box. This month your box is hand-packed with love by Gemma." Then you'll find some little leaflets, and these usually relate to the products inside the box and additional ones like £50 off virgin wines, etc. And yeah, here it is. So inside we've got a magazine, not just a leaflet, it's a beauty magazine, and in here details everything about the products inside the box, but it also goes into interviews, beauty reviews and much more. So I'll be referring to this as we go along, and here's a quick sneak peek of all the products inside this month's box. I'm obsessed with makeup brushes, and there's a few in there. There's a few. The value of this box comes in at a whopping £186.11. Look! Nearly £200. So I'll go through that with each product. So the first item in the box is a product by Urban Decay, and this is a 24/7 Glide On lip pencil, and this is in shade Streak. I've got their eye pencils, but I've never tried their lip pencils. I'm really excited for this, really excited. Streak looks a nice colour from the outside, but what's it like there? Oh, wow, it looks quite orange. It looks quite orange. Oh, it is pretty. It's like a pinky coral shade. That is really pretty. You could use that on its own if you really like the colour and you like sort of a matte finish to your lips. That'd be quite a nice colour. Yeah, it's really pretty. I really like it. Information in the booklet says that the recommended retail price for this lip liner is £16. It says the long-lasting waterproof formula glides on smoothly, stays creamy and defines your lips with a gorgeous colour. 24/7, never feels dry or cakey. Moisturising vitamin E, jojoba oil and cottonseed oil nourish your lips every time you reapply. First item in the box. Next we've got a mini eyeshadow palette by Ofra, and this is a brand I haven't tried before, so I'm really excited to get into this and see what the shades are like. This is a midi palette and it's called Feeling Myself. Oh, it's not eyeshadow. I don't know why I said eyeshadow, just assumed it's not. It's a highlighter, and look at those shades. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, they're gorgeous. Okay, let me show you, do a little bit of a swatch. Oh, they feel so nice as well. I'm not really a pinky toned highlighter. Not that I'm a highlighter, but I tend to wear more golden tones. Hopefully you can see there. So my skin is very pale, but you could just pick up the shades there. They're really nice, aren't they? Yeah, it's gorgeous. I think my favourite one is the top one, which is that one there. Yeah, really, really pretty. It says drip in with glow. Your highlighter will shine through your selfies in this highlighter trio. So this Feeling Myself highlighter palette by Ofra Cosmetics costs £35. Your highlight will shine through your selfies with this highlighter trio. Use each shade on its own or swirl them together to create your own glow in this travel friendly compact that comes with a mirror. We'll keep you glowing through 2021. Next, we've got a product by Balance Me. This is from their Plump and Hydrate range. It's hyaluronic acid with yarrow and aloe vera for all skin types, and there's 30 mils here. Love hyaluronic acid. I use it all the time. I've been using it daily now for years and years. As we age, unfortunately, hyaluronic acid depletes from our skins. So by adding it, you're adding in the hydration. Feels nice. I thought it had a smell. It's got a very subtle smell. It smells like natural lemon sort of squash, lemon juice type smell. If you really like Balance Me Cosmetics, there's a 20% off code here to use on their website. Just use code Cohorted20. It's written in the book. This is an award-winning serum and the recommended retail price is £30. The finer weight HA gets deep beneath the surface to replenish the cells, delivering a significant reduction in the appearance of fine lines, while the heavier weighted HAs will instantly plump, tighten and help to protect the skin's moisture barrier and lock in hydration. Apply 3 to 5 drops of serum to damp cleanse face, neck and chest by pressing palms gently over the skin until the serum is fully absorbed. Any excess can be smoothed onto the back of the hands. Next we've got a nail polish, and this is by Nails Inc London, and I think this is a new one. I haven't seen this one before. 73% plant power, long wear, 21 free vegan polish. It's also halal friendly as well. And yeah, this is in shade What Are You? Everyday Self-Care. It's a really nice pink there. It is brand new. I thought I'd never seen it before. To purchase this nail polish, it will cost you £9. It says, discover your wild side with this fresh nail polish kit powered by Nails Inc. Revolutionary 93% plant-based formula that works over time to be kinder and gentler on your nails with no compromise on colour, quality or wear time. The everyday self-care is a soft candy pink that glides on smoothly for a flawless finish. So there's that. Next we've got a face mask by Grace and Stella, and this is a Meet Mud, your skin's new best friend. This is a Dead Sea mud mask and there's 120 mils in there. Just open it up. Contains a little spatula. Handy. And yeah, proper mud. I absolutely love face masks and I love gunky ones. Yep, smells of mud. Smells of mud. So this Grace and Stella mud mask will cost you £16. You can think of mud in these masks as a magnet, drawing impurities like dirt and oil out of your clogged pores for a clearer complexion. When wet, clay swells and binds to impurities, and as it dries, soaks them into the centre. Mud and clay are also packed with nutrients for your skin. So as they are drawing out the bad stuff, they're also supplying you with plenty of the good stuff. And the key ingredients are pure Dead Sea mud, kaolin and shea butter. I love the sound of that. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I can't wait to give that a go. Next, we've got a little perfume, and this is by Able. This is Cobalt Amber, 100% natural eau de parfum. There's 1.5 mils here, so this might be like a little added extra, like a little sample. Okay, I'm quite fussy with perfume, so here goes. Oh, hold on. It's very sensual. It would make an amazing scented candle for my bedroom. Oh yeah. This 1.5 mil sample is worth £5. So can you imagine the cost of, say, a 60 ml bottle? Cobalt Amber is a sophisticated oriental scent with bright pink pepper and juniper berry, which gives its classic amber a modern twist. Sensual and elegant on women, leathery musk on men, perfect for either best at night. Yeah, that's exactly how I would describe it if I was any good at describing perfumes. Yeah, it is. It's really nice. So it says here, top notes of pink pepper, cardamom, juniper berry, and heart notes of cocoa, tonka, Peru, balsam, and base notes of amber. Not a perfume I would personally wear, maybe on a night out. That's something I can imagine my husband liking, and a scent I can definitely imagine as a gorgeous room fragrance. So yeah, Little perfume by Abel there. And then we have got makeup brushes. 3 different makeup brushes. So we start off with the first one. This is by the brand La Rousse. I haven't heard of that before. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh, I'm a sucker for packaging. I am a sucker for packaging. Look at that handle. We've got an LR335 flat foundation. I do really like that. It feels super, super soft. Oh, that is gorgeous. The recommended retail price for this flat foundation brush is £24.54. Soft, luxurious fibres make the flat foundation brush the ideal to apply your foundation for an even, flawless finish. Best used for liquids, cream products and foundation. And what I've noticed as well, you've got little QR codes there. And if you were to scan that, it will show you how to use them. I really like that. I love the feel. I really love the feel of that. So yeah, I can imagine that feeling gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right then, next one. We've got a contour brush. This is an LR334 contour brush. See there? Oh, soft. These are really gorgeous brushes. Gorgeous. Why haven't I heard of them before? They've even got a little design on the bottom there. These are cool. I do really like them. So this angled contour brush will cost you £26.7p. It says, it is made to take all the guesswork out of contouring with its perfectly angled bristles ready to hug your cheekbones and help create your ideal face shape. And again, it's got a QR code there so you can scan. And then lastly, it looks like a highlighter brush. Yeah, highlighter brush. This is an LR308. Imagine a little bit of highlighter going on there. Oh, it feels really soft. So this highlighter brush will cost you £24.50, and it just says the tapered brush offers gentle sweeping bristles for your favourite luminous powders. There is a code here to have 35% off all of your order at larousebeauty.com, and just use Cohorted35 at checkout, and that's valid until the end of February. So to recap, we've got a Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil. We've got a Nails Ink 73% Plant Power Nail Polish. We've got a Balance Me Tri-Molecular Hyaluronic Serum. We've got a Grace and Stella Dead Sea Face Mask. We've got an Ofra Cosmetics Midi Highlighter Palette called Feeling Myself. We've got a little 1.5ml perfume by Abel, and this is Cobalt Amber. And lastly, we've got a set of 3 face brushes. We've got a foundation brush, a highlighter brush, and a contour brush by La Rousse Beauty. So yeah, so those are all the products inside this month's Cohorted subscription box. The cost of the box is £39.99 and the value is 180 something. I can't remember what it is now. But yeah, nearly £200. I am really impressed with it. I love the fact that there's a little bit of everything. There's makeup brushes, which I'm always excited about. There's face serums, face mask, perfume, a lip liner, highlighters, and a nail polish. There's a little bit of everything, absolutely everything. I'm really, really chuffed with it this month, and I'm really grateful to Cohorted for sending this out to me. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. If you are a subscriber to Cohorted, you might already have this box by now. But if you're new to Cohorted, you hadn't heard of it before, or you were just watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not, I'd love to hear your thoughts about it. This box is on the pricier side of subscription boxes, but it has big claims that it's the UK's #1 luxury subscription, and as the value suggests, it's, you know, it's well above what you pay for it. Yeah, I am really impressed with it, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.